Hi, this is EURUSD and today it's Sunday, 30th of November 2014 and we are looking at the pair before the markets open for the new trading week. I'm Sofia Stavropoulou and this is a video signal for ForexID Academy members and FXholics Forex Signals apps users. I'm using ICHIMOKU KINKO HYO, Bollinger Bands, Fractals and TDI, Traders Dynamic Index. On H4 time frame, we see that the pair made a huge effort to reverse, to go bullish, but its bullish Kumo breakout was not validated by Chiku span because it had to negate a lot of bearish momentum, a lot of gravity, so it decided to tame the Kumo instead, and it started this zigzag action above and below the Kumo. The fact that the leading Kumo is horizontal and the bearish momentum is decreasing makes me think and makes me assume that the pair will rather go higher than lower. But before, at the current point, we are looking at the pair. Things are more bearish than bullish. We should patiently wait. These spikes here show that the pair will make a huge effort to reverse, but median Bollinger Bands inclination, median Bollinger Bands curve downwards, and this big up fractal above the median Bollinger Band, this swing high above the median Bollinger Band, give a bearish continuation sense and feeling. So let's start from the monthly using my 4 time frame strategy and see how things look like and if we can take a nice trade and when, which entry criteria we should wait for. Before we go to monthly, we see here TDI rather bearish than bullish. So from H4 we should wait. Okay, so let's go to monthly. We are looking for a fresh price Tenkan-sen cross. Tenkan-sen is the red line of ICHIMOKU KINKO HYO. Nothing fresh here. Let's go to weekly. Looking for a fresh price Tenkan-sen cross. Nothing fresh here. Let's go to daily. We had the bearish price Tenkan-sen cross, but the previous day's candlestick has a spike. So if we go to the lower time frames, we will possibly see an upward move. So I don't think I would take it, or let's check the lower time frames. So starting from the daily, seeing this edge, the edge of the leading Kumo being sharp pointing downwards here on the daily, there is a possibility that the pair will fall lower. Let's go to the smaller time frames using the system's rules and let the system guide us to a profitable trade. So starting from the daily and considering this a fresh bearish price Tenkan-sen cross, although we are on the second candlestick after the price Tenkan-sen cross, it's not the first one. Assuming that our first entry condition is valid, we go to H4 and we are looking for a bearish price, a bearish Kumo breakout there. So we had the bearish Kumo breakout validated by Chiku span, which didn't cross below the past price action though. Okay, so we can consider the second entry criterion met on H4. going on H1, we want to see 100% bearish picture. And the bearish picture till a few hours before the market's close was definitely bearish. On M30, we will wait for... On M30, we want to see a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross. We see the Tenkan-sen making a curve and one big body bullish candlestick jumping above it and closing above it. That's a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross, valid. So we will wait patiently here to see an upward move, and we will enter short from M30 once we see the opposite, a bearish price Tenkan-sen cross, and we will enter short, we will sell, placing our stop loss above the Kumo, a few pips above the Kumo, and our take profit target can be, let me see, not on H4, our take profit target can be at the lower Bollinger Band on the daily, if everything is confirmed. Now, on M30, when we will see a bearish price Tenkan-sen cross, we will go to M15 and make sure that everything looks bearish, on M5 and make sure that everything looks bearish, and we will enter from M1. I repeat, we will wait on M30 for this bullish correction to finish, and if we see a bearish price Tenkan-sen cross like the one here, then we will go to M15, M5, M1, make sure everything is bearish, and we will enter from there. Now, it is possible that this correction is not just a correction, but it's the true reversal move of the pair. And I have this feeling from H4, I already told you that. Being patient and waiting on M30 for the price to go up or to give a bearish price Tenkan-sen cross, we are safe from a false entry in case the pair continues going higher. If the pair continues going higher from M30, you wait patiently and you go to H4 and look for a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross there. It's good to have your first time frame of the four at least as high as H4. So if you see price going up on M30, wait patiently, go to H4 and wait to see a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross on H4. That will be valid if you see Tenkan-sen making a curve, making a cup, and one bullish candlestick jumping above the cup. That would be a valid bullish price Tenkan-sen cross on H4. If that happens, go to H1, look for a bullish Kumo breakout. That will happen by then. Go to M30, look for 100% bullish picture, and enter from M5 long, buying, M15 long, buying. That's how the system protects you from false entries and shows you which is the dynamic of the market. Ideally, when you enter with first time frame H4, when you enter from M15, you expect, since the Kumo breakout will happen on H1, you expect to exit when a bearish Kumo breakout will happen on H1. And that means you should be a patient trader and wait and trail your stop. If you enter from M15, again, you will go down to M5, M1, make sure everything is bullish, and you will place your the price will be up here, so you will place your stop loss below the Kumo and your take profit target at the upper Bollinger Band on H4 as a short-term take profit target, and you will trail your stop, and you will also reposition yourself depending on how strong the market's bullish intentions will be. This is the bullish scenario. Okay. Thanks for watching and happy pips.